Taal Volcano erupts. Taal Volcano in Batangas, Philippines, is one of the most active volcanoes. Frequent eruptions send ash and steam high into the sky, impacting nearby communities.
Phreatic eruptions occur when water underground is heated by magma, creating steam that can erupt violently, posing significant risks. Evacuations are crucial to protect lives, and emergency response teams must act swiftly to ensure safety.
Authorities are evacuating residents. Ashfall affects air quality and visibility. Stay indoors to avoid harmful particles. Wear masks outside. Preparedness is key. Stock essentials. Stay informed. Stay safe. Subscribe to Hot News TV. Ciao.